Is it possible for inclusion to be so seamless that you barely notice it's happening? I sat in the bleachers of a baseball game this week, expecting a fun afternoon for my son. But what I found was a masterclass in belonging. No barriers, no labels, just a community sharing space together. Today, we're looking at what natural inclusion really looks like in 2026. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Prairie Chronicles. I'm your host, Tonya Wallum, and I'm glad you're here. Today, I wanted to tell you about something that has been on my heart all weekend. I'm currently in Western New York supporting my son's summer baseball team. And this past week, I had the privilege of attending Kids Day at a local game. What I witnessed there wasn't a formal workshop on inclusion. It was just life, unfolding exactly as it should. The scene was classic Americana: farmland, a small town crowd, and school groups everywhere. I found myself sitting near a woman who was the absolute life of the stands. She was cheering, chatting, and greeting every child who walked by with genuine warmth. She spoke openly about her involvement with Special Olympics, and it was beautiful to see how the community around her simply embraced her and shared the space without a hint of judgment. But what really struck me as an IEP coach and a parent was the ease of it all. From my seat, I watched children, some with noise-canceling headphones, some with fidgets, others with mobility aids or one-on-one support, just being kids. They were rolling down grassy hills, chasing foul balls, and clamoring for autographs right alongside everyone else. There was no special section. There were no barriers. Inclusion wasn't a policy. It was the atmosphere. As I watched, I realized that we spend so much time advocating for accommodations. And yes, those are vital, but the goal is, and always should be, for those things to be so seamless that the child just feels like part of the community. Today, I want to challenge you to look for those moments in your own community. Where are you seeing inclusion happen naturally? How can we foster more of these bleacher moments where everyone truly belongs? If you've seen inclusion in action this week, I'd love to hear about it. Drop me a note or send me a DM at Prairie on Instagram. Remember, let's focus on the individual, not the diagnosis. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.